everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you some deep neck designs. These you can create in your lehenga cholis or long anarkali gowns or in sharara garara patterns or any party wear outfits, whatever you like to make in. So continue watching to know various types of deep neck designs.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.